In Auditorium 2, we have the screening of a film that's created a huge buzz not only in India but around the world, the Kashmir Files. And joining us right now on the red carpet is Mr. Anupam Kher, one of the lead actors from the film, along with Mr. Abhishek Agarwal, the producer of the Kashmir Files, for a quick chat before they head into the auditorium for the screening. Hello, sir. Hi, sir. Warm welcome to Iffi. Sir, if you'd like to stand this way so you can get some nice pictures. Sir, could you tell us a little bit about what went into this film? Because I know you're yourself a Kashmiri Pandit when you got the script. How was it for you when you thought of taking this up?
Thank you very much. Kashmir Files is a film for the world. For me, it's an emotion, it's a feeling, it's something, a truth of the genocide of Kashmiri Pandits, which was unnoticed for 32 years. And finally, Vivek, Abhishek, and myself, we came out with this film. And in fact, the film has done phenomenal business commercially also. At least the truth reached out to the world. When I say commercially also done, that means it touched somebody. It made people think about it. And also, people were guilty that they did not know about this story of the genocide of Kashmiri Hindus. And I'm very happy to be here that it's the panorama selection of the film. It's nice to be here, and let's hope that the film will come.
So one more question for you. You're such a brilliant actor. What is your method for getting into the skin of your characters, especially this one?
There is no alternate to honesty, whether on screen or in real life. If you're honest to the character, sometimes the honesty touches people, whether you are honest being a comic actor or a serious actor or anything. But in this film, I was representing those 500,000 people who had to leave their homes on the 19th of January 1990, all of a sudden in one night. And I was representing them. And that had to be done with my soul, not with my craft. So I will say that Kashmir Files, I did not use craft as an actor. I used my soul, my real tears, and my bleeding heart.
So that speaks through definitely. Mr. Agarwal, what is it like being here at Iffi for Kashmir Files? How do you feel being here on the red carpet?
It feels great, and I've been honored to be here, and I've been more honored because of Anupam ji and Vivek ji. The success of us is dedicated to Kashmiri Pandits.
So one final question, when you all actually were working on the film, did you all expect to get the response that you all did?
We expected that it will. When I saw the rough cut of the film, I did expect that it pierced through my heart, not only because of, when I see the film, I see as an outsider, that at least the truth will reach. But the fact that it will be accepted by people all over the world, at least I did not expect that. The commercial side of it, the film doing 350 crores business worldwide is a big thing. There is no song, there is no happy moment, there is sadness, but it reached out to people.
Thank you, sir. Lovely talking to you. If you could just get a few photographs. So, sir, I believe that we have a special moment up next. It is going to be Anupam sir's 525th film that's going to be launching very shortly, going to be released very soon, and we will have the unveiling right now. The film has been directed by Mark Osborne, as you're
Mama